Meet Angel, a New York native who grew up surrounded by engines and tools before discovering his passion for aviation. AIM's hands-on training and industry partnerships helped turn that passion into a professional pathway, being accepted into the prestigious British Airways Cadet Program. With hiring pipelines across major airlines, opportunities are endless through AIM's partnerships. Take it away, Angel.
Thank you, Alex. Growing up in a mechanic shop, I was always surrounded by tools, engines, and the rhythm of hard work. Even though I loved everything mechanical, I was obsessed with aircrafts. I used to watch aviation videos every day. And when my cousin enrolled at AIM and shared his experience, something clicked. And when I visited the school for the first time, I truly knew it was love at first sight. AIM felt like the perfect environment for someone like me. A place built on opportunity, support, and growth. During my time as a student, I saw how dedicated the instructors are. They don't just teach, they mentor, guide you, and prepare you for the real world aviation. After graduating, AIM offered me a position in their tool crib. That role became an essential part of my journey. It gave me hands-on experience and daily exposure to aircraft tools and systems. Plus, I got the professional mindset that I needed while studying for my airframe and power plant license. Every day I spent supporting students reminded me of why I chose this industry. Because aviation demands precision, discipline, and passion. Working at AIM bridged the gap between being a student and becoming a professional. It really shaped the mechanic I am today. After I earned my A&P license, AIM announced a partnership with one of the biggest international airlines, giving students the chance to be recruited directly into their cadet program. Being accepted into this partnership was life-changing. It became my first step into the aviation field as a certified aircraft mechanic. Today, I'm stepping in this industry with confidence, thanks to AIM and its industry partnerships. My journey is just beginning, but I'm proud of how far I've come. With AIM behind me, I'm excited to grow, learn, and continue turning this lifelong passion into my career. Alex, you're clear to take off. Back to you.
Amazing work, Angel, from growing up in a mechanic shop to stepping confidently into the British Airways Cadet Program. Your journey shows the power of mentorship, training, and real industry connections. AIM's partnerships clearly create life-changing opportunities, and we are excited to see where your aviation career takes you next. Thanks again.